Okay, so let's solve a question. So question is that now design a base slab. Design a slab base. Design a slab base for a column section. For a column section ISHB 350 at the rate 710.2 Newton per meter, subjected to an axial load of 1030 kilonewton. 1030 kilonewton. See that the unit, that is the 1030 kilonewton. Again, for the following condition. Okay, for the following condition. First case, load is transferred to the base plate by direct bearing of column flange Now next, second case, load is transferred to base plate by welded connection. So now here, as you know, first we have to assume. So here, first write the given. What is the given? So column given ISHB 350. Okay, and now load equal to 1030 kilonewton. Okay, so now, so our ISHB, so D equal to here, D equal to 350. Okay, here now shape bearing pressure of concrete, as you know, we can take shape bearing pressure of concrete equal to 0.25 FCK. That is 0.25 multiplied by FCK. Here, if nothing has been given, so you can take the M15. Okay, let's assume M15 has been used. ठीक है, हमने क्या किया, M15 हमने यूज किया. So 0.25 into 15. So now 0.25 multiplied by 15. So this is your 3.75 Newton per mm square. Okay, so now we are going to find the area. Okay, so you can write the force equal to stress multiplied by area. So here, so हमने जो एज्यूम स्ट्रेस किया है, दैट इज द 3.75. फोर्स कितना है, दैट इज द 1030 kilonewton. Okay, so here you can write 1030 into 10 power 3. Okay, so let's convert all unit in a single unit. Okay, so ये kilonewton में है, so now we are going to calculate in the Newton. So stress in the 3.75 Newton per square into area. So now what the area? So area equal to area equal to 1030 into 10 power 3 by 3.75. So 1030 multiplied by 10 power 3 multiplied by 3.75. So here the area is the 274 into 10 power 3. 274 into 10 power 3 mm square. Okay, so here we have to assume, अब आपको यदि रेक्टेंगल लेना है कि स्क्वायर लेना है, so let's base plate is a square section. Let's base plate is a square section. ठीक है, स्क्वायर सेक्शन हो गया. सो नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू कैलकुलेट हियर फॉर स्क्वायर प्लेट b into b equal to total a. So here total a equal to this. So b square equal to a. b square equal to a. So you can write b equal to under root a. So b equal to under root a. So under root 274 into 10 power 3. So under root 274 into under root 3. So that is the 524. B equal to 524.08. So you can take that is the 530 mm. You can increase that is the 520 mm. Okay. So you can take no matter. Okay. So now next. तो हमने क्या निकाला? अभी हमने निकाला कि जो हमारा जो b होगा b इक्वल टू एल. b इक्वल टू एल. तो जो हमारा बेस प्लेट होगा इस टाइप से होगा. सपोज दैट दिस इज द विड्थ एंड दिस इज योर लेंथ एंड हियर द t दैट इज द थिकनेस और डेप्थ d दैट इज द डेप्थ. ओके, सो हियर सो b इक्वल टू एल दैट इज द 530 इंटू 530 का हमने क्या लिया? एक प्लेट लिया. सो नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू कैलकुलेट द थिकनेस ऑफ प्लेट. t दैट इज द थिकनेस ऑफ प्लेट इक्वल टू 3w अपॉन सिग्मा बी एस a स्क्वायर minus b square upon 4. Okay, so now here we have to find the a and b. What is the a? A is the greater projection and b is the lesser projection. So ठीक है, हमने क्या किया? 530 into 530 लिया और इसके मिडिल में. ओके, सो ये हो गया 530 and this is also 530. Now we are going to put the here. See that this is your 350 and now from table we can calculate the width of the flange. That's width of the flange. If you go to the table, so you can find the b equal to 250. Okay, so यदि ISHB आप 350 के प्रॉपर्टी में जाओगे, so you are going to find the width of the flange equal to 250. Okay, so this is your 250, this is your 350. Okay, so now we are going to find this distance and this distance. Okay, so now we are going to find this a. जो भी ज़्यादा होगा उसको हम फाइंड कर रहे हैं. तो here 530. So b let's we are going to find the 530. पहले हम इस डायरेक्शन निकालते हैं. इन x डायरेक्शन, इन ये वाई वाई डायरेक्शन हो गया ना, इन वाई वाई डायरेक्शन हम इस डायरेक्शन में निकालते हैं किसका होगा। सो 530 माइनस 250, ठीक है। तो क्या बचा, ये एंड बचा, ये और कितना बचा, बाई 2 यदि कर दें इसका ओवरऑल 2, सो वी आर गोइंग टू फाइंड दिस टू। ओके, सो 530 minus 250 by 2, so this is your 140 mm. Now in x direction, ओके या फिर आपके पास एक और तरीका है, क्योंकि 530 ये भी है 530 ये भी है, तो 350 ये हो जा रहा है, तो 530 माइनस जब 350 ऑलरेडी हो जा रहा है तो ये कम हो जाएगा, और ये जो 250 होगा तो ये जो मिलेगा हमारा ओपन एरिया वो ज़्यादा होगा। सो यू कैन टेक एक्स, यदि नहीं समझ में आ रहा तो कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, आप इस तरह भी डायरेक्टली निकाल सकते हो। सो इन एक्स डायरेक्शन 530 माइनस ओके, this is 530 minus 350 by 2, so this is the 530 minus 350 by 2, so this is your 90. Okay, so we have calculated the length, that is this length in y direction and in x direction. Okay, this is your 530. सो इनमें से जो भी ज़्यादा होगा दैट्स कॉल्ड द ए, सो ए इक्वल टू 140, एंड जो भी लेसर होगा दैट्स कॉल्ड द बी, दैट इज द 90. सो इन दिस फार्मूला हमें डब्ल्यू मिला है, डब्ल्यू इक्वल टू 1030, ओके, ए स्क्वायर ये मिल गया, बी स्क्वायर अपॉन 4. ओके, सो नाउ हियर, so let's again now what is the sigma bs, what is the sigma bs? See, the bs is the stress in that is the stress in bending, that is the permissible stress in bending. Sigma bs, just wait, so sigma bs equal to, that is the permissible bending stress, permissible bending stress, permissible bending stress in the slab base, in slab base. So normally it's taken the 185, normally it's taken as the 185. So now here, so we are going to take the w, small w, so w equal to, again capital is, this is the small w, so capital W, that is total load upon area, that is the 530 multiplied by the 530. So 1030 multiplied by 10 power 3 upon 530 into 530, just wait. So this is your 3.66, this is your 3.66, that is the Newton per mm square. So now we have A, we have B, we have W, we have sigma. So now put all these things, so T equal to, that is the techniques of slab base, equal to under root 3W upon sigma BS, a square minus b square upon 2. So now put all this value under root 3w, 3 into 3.66 upon sigma bs 185, a that is the 140 square minus b that is the 90 square by 4. Okay, so now 140 square minus 90 square by 4. Okay, so first solve this, 90 square by 4, 90 square by 4, so this is your 2025. Okay, so 140 square minus 2024, that is the 1725, 17, so 3 under root 3 into 3.66 upon 185 multiplied by 17575. 17575. Okay, so solve this. 3 into 3.66 into 17575 multiplied, okay, by 185. So 1040 t equal to here. So take under root 3 into 3.66 into 17575 by 185. So 10403. 1043.1. So if you solve this, under root answer equal to 32.29. So thickness of slab base, that is the in mm. That is in mm. So thickness of base slab. So T equal to how much? 32.29. So increase little bit, no matter. This is take the 38 or 40, no matter. 38 mm. Okay, 38 mm. So now provide 38 mm thick plate available. Okay, so now, so base plate, that is the 530 into 530 into how much? That is 38 mm. This is the base plate. Okay, so now here